In this video, we are going to see how we can make a crew in Blocks Fruits. So Blocks Fruits is a game. If you want to search for it, you just type it in the search box for Blocks Fruits, and here it is. You just click on that and play it. It will open it up in your application. So you select pirates, and once you select that, you need to click on this little pirate sign in the game. Click on that and it will allow you to create the crew. For example, I create my crew, Upskill crew. Now I've also pasted the logo link to create a logo for my crew. So if you want to create it in the same way, what we'll do is we head over to roblox.com, and from the home tab, we click on create. Once we click on create, we go to all tools on the left hand side and we choose decals. And it will open up this store where we can find different decals. For example, I find this one attractive, or if you want any special logo, you just can write whatever word comes to your mind, whatever you want to create, and it must already be there. You can use that for your crew. So for example, I really like this one. We open this up, we click on get decal so that we, in case want to use it further, it will be added to our inventory. And also on the top, we can get this link, copy this link, and we simply paste it right here. We press tab and it should be added in a moment. So instead of tab, you just simply click anywhere and it will be added right away. Now to create the crew, you must be on the level 300 plus. After that, you just click on create, and this is how you can easily create a crew in Blocks Fruits. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.